All right, today we have a video of a Haas VF6 50, serial number 1086204. It's new in 2011. Machine has a Haas control. Machine's equipped 2-speed, 50 taper gearbox, has a remote jog pendant. Machine also comes with the Haas jib crane. Has programmable coolant, chip auger. We're gonna run the machine. That's 500 RPM in the low range. That's 1500 in the low range. Stop. We're gonna do a gear change. That's 2000 RPM. That's 4500 in the high range. Machine again goes up to 7500 RPM. It's a two-speed gearbox, Cat 50. All right, we'll do a tool change now. Do one more tool change. Okay, we'll jog the axes around. That's your Y-axis. Machine runs very nice. Your X-axis, again, very quiet, smooth. The machine is also equipped with the Renishaw probe, and it also has the touch setter on the table as well. It's your Z-axis. And that will do it for our video of our 2011 VF6. Thank you for watching.